my peeps? What's up? What's up? What's up? Wagwan. Welcome back to Polly's Little Kitchen down here, man. I'm about to fry some fish. So I have some snapper over here, some red snapper that I have already washed and clean up, scale and all of the work and thing and pat dry properly. You're gonna fry them so you don't need any water to be draining off of them. Yeah? So you use your lemon, your vinegar, anything that you have in your kitchen. As I always tell you guys, use what you have or turn it on and make fashion. Yes, so anything you have, guys, you use it to deal with your fish. Remember, fish raw, so you have to always have your little bleach around and your little lemon or your lime juice or whatever it is, yeah? So I'm gonna put some slice in these fish now. So I'm using a little garlic salt. I'm making my season to season my fish. Some fish seasoning, black pepper, and I'm gonna mix that up. So I'm gonna use this now to season my fish. I'm gonna put some in the fish cavity and where I slice the fish. So I'm mixing that properly together. Yeah. Then I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna season my fish. So I'm gonna put some first in the fish cavity. You can go ahead and season your fish with your favorite season, guys. I use the garlic salt, so I'm not using the regular salt. Just need to put a little. And you rub that in properly, right? Season your fish head and in the cavity of the fish. Yeah? So we're going outside to fry these, guys, so come along with me. So guys, my fish is marinating. So I'm gonna make my pickle now. So I go ahead and wash all of these seasoning that I'm gonna use to make my pickle. Wash and clean up your season. Don't think I want to use my hand to hold the Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. You know how it is with the Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah. Putting in some pimento. Guys, this big boy here, this big Scotch bonnet pepper, you're going to see what I'm going to do with this one. Alright, so stay with me to see what I'm going to do with that. And I have some vinegar over here. I'm going to pour it in. So that's how I make my pickle, guys, for my fried fish. So I'm going on the outside now to fry my fish. So come along with me, guys. So guys, you want to make sure that your oil is very hot. So I'm gonna put in that Scotch bonnet pepper there. I'm gonna fry that out in the oil. I'm on the outside. You can hear any noise, any dog barking, any bird singing. I am on the outside, guys. Outside, outside. Where we there? Outside, outside. So I like when my oil is spicy, because that is also going to let the fish spicy. Yeah? In with my fish. Yeah, so we're gonna give each side 5 minutes. So guys, after finish frying your fish, you want to place them on some paper towel. Line the plate with the paper towel and let the fish drain. Let the oil drain off them. Look at that. Yes guys, so this is our fried snapper. So that's my nice snapper fish. Just done fry. I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna put my pickle on it. Remember to like, share, comment guys. That's my pickle on my fish. Share the videos guys. Share my videos. Please to share the videos. So guys, these are some festival you can have with your fry fish or any of your sides that you choose to have with your fry fish.